Hello there. Large area of high pressure centred across the west coast of North America at the moment. That's been responsible for producing these Santa Ana winds. But as we go through Friday, it's a potential for those isobars to open up and the winds a little lighter. At the same time, we've got another significant winter storm moving its way in a very similar pattern across the Ohio Valley into West Virginia, trailing weather front moving out of Georgia into Louisiana, bringing some very heavy rain as well. I'll come back to that storm in just a moment. But let's move out to the west coast. There will be a frontal system bringing outbreaks of showery rain and snow across parts of British Columbia, stretching down into Oregon. But south of that, it's fine and it's quiet. But with lighter winds, it may well just give the firefighters a brief window to try to get on top of those extreme fires. Let's take a look at the story then. Over the next few days, the dry, settled weather is set to continue. Now, across that eastern seaboard, here's the snow then moving its way across the Great Lakes into the Ohio Valley, across parts of Nashville, Tennessee. It could be rain into Georgia, some of it really quite intense as well. The storm not quite as bad as it was a week ago, but nevertheless, further significant snow accumulation is likely as that storm moves through. And it's going to stay cold over the next few days. The snow easing in Nashville, only 1 degree on Saturday. Hello there. Let's take a look at the weather story across South America. Plenty to talk about once again. If we take a look at the pressure chart, you can see where all the rain-bearing cloud is sitting to the far north. This rain has been fairly intense over the last few days, easing just a touch across southern areas of Brazil, but some very heavy rain is likely across Bolivia. At the same time, we've still got heat building once again across parts of Paraguay, northern Argentina and into northern Chile. So plenty of sharper showers. Not looking too bad though across Venezuela over the next few days. Suriname, French Guiana, down into Brazil, seeing some wetter weather. The rain just drifting that little bit further north. Ascension seeing temperatures once again mid to high 30s as we go through the week ahead. So it looks somewhat like this. La Paz in Bolivia will stay pretty unsettled. Ascension in parts of Paraguay will stay pretty hot again. Now, for Mexico, over into the Yucatan Peninsula, it's going to be largely fine and quiet. In fact, much of Central America, along with the Caribbean, seeing a little bit of fair weather cloud, but a dry, settled story. Showers should be few and far between. And even down into Costa Rica and Panama, where we've seen some very heavy rainfall, that rain easing a touch in intensity. So many of the cities, as you can see, over the next few days look largely fine and quiet. A few scattered showers for Mexico.